Welcome to our journey into the world of coding. Many people believe that coding is difficult and reserved for experts, but in reality, coding can be much easier than you think. Today, we'll explore how anyone can start coding, break down the myths, and discover the simple steps to begin. Whether you're a student, professional, or just curious, coding is accessible to everyone. Let's start by understanding what coding really is and why it's not as intimidating as it seems. Get ready to unlock the secrets to easy programming and see how you can make coding a part of your life. Coding is simply the process of giving instructions to a computer using a language it understands. These instructions tell the computer what to do, from displaying a message to performing complex calculations. Think of coding as writing a recipe for a machine. You don't need to be a genius to start, all you need is curiosity and a willingness to learn. Coding languages like Python, JavaScript, and HTML are designed to be user-friendly, making it easier for beginners to pick up the basics. Let's break down how coding works and why it's more approachable than you might expect. One of the biggest obstacles to learning coding is the misconception that it's only for math geniuses or tech wizards. In reality, coding is a skill that anyone can learn regardless of their background. Many coding languages are designed to be simple and intuitive, with clear syntax and helpful documentation. You don't need advanced math skills or years of experience to start coding. All you need is a positive attitude and a willingness to experiment. Let's dispel the myths and see how coding can be easy for everyone. In starting out, it's important to choose a programming language that's beginner-friendly. Python is often recommended because of its simple syntax and readability. JavaScript is another great option, especially for those interested in web development. HTML is perfect for creating web pages and is easy to learn. The key is to pick a language that matches your interests and goals. Don't worry about making the perfect choice. Most languages share similar concepts, so learning one makes it easier to pick up others later. Before you start coding, you'll need to set up your workspace. This usually involves installing a code editor like VS Code or Sublime Text. These editors make writing and testing code easy and efficient. You don't need expensive equipment. A basic computer and internet connection are enough. Setting up your workspace is simple and takes just a few minutes. Once you're ready, you can start writing your first lines of code and see immediate results. Now it's time to write your first code. Start with something simple like printing a message to the screen. In Python, you can write print hello world and see your message appear instantly. This small step is the beginning of your coding journey. Don't worry about making mistakes. Errors are a normal part of learning. The important thing is to try, experiment, and enjoy the process. Coding is about creativity and problem solving, not perfection. Syntax is the set of rules that defines how code is written. Each programming language has its own syntax, but most are designed to be logical and easy to follow. For example, Python uses indentation to organize code, while JavaScript uses curly braces. Once you understand the basic syntax, you'll find that writing code becomes much easier. Don't be afraid to look up examples or use online resources to help you learn. The best way to learn coding is by practicing regularly. Start with small projects like creating a calculator or a simple website. Practice helps you understand concepts and build confidence. Don't worry about making mistakes. Every error is an opportunity to learn. The more you code, the easier it becomes. Set aside a little time each day to practice and you'll see steady progress. There are countless online resources available to help you learn coding. Websites like Codecademy, FreeCodeCamp, and W3 Schools offer tutorials, exercises, and community support. You can watch video lessons, read articles, and join forums to ask questions. These resources make learning coding easy and accessible, no matter where you are. Take advantage of these tools to accelerate your learning and connect with other learners. Coding is most rewarding when you use it to solve real problems. Try automating a task, organizing data, or building a simple app. Real-world projects help you see the practical value of coding and motivate you to keep learning. Start with something that interests you and don't be afraid to experiment. The more you apply coding to real situations, the easier it becomes. Bugging is the process of finding and fixing errors in your code. It might sound intimidating, but it's actually a straightforward process. Most code editors highlight errors and suggest solutions. By reading error messages and testing your code, you can quickly identify and fix problems. Debugging is a valuable skill that gets easier with practice. Remember, every coder makes mistakes. What matters is how you solve them. Confidence in coding comes from consistent practice and small successes. Celebrate each milestone, whether it's writing your first function or completing a project. Don't compare yourself to others, focus on your own progress. Coding is a journey and every step forward builds your confidence. The more you code, the more comfortable you'll become. Coding communities are a great way to learn, share, and grow. Platforms like GitHub, Stack Overflow, and Reddit connect you with other coders. You can ask questions, share projects, and get feedback. Being part of a community makes coding easier and more enjoyable. Don't hesitate to join discussions and contribute your ideas. Simple projects are the best way to practice coding. Try building a to-do list app, a calculator, or a basic website. These projects teach you essential skills and boost your confidence. Don't worry about making them perfect. Focus on learning and experimenting. The more projects you complete, the easier coding becomes. Variables are a fundamental concept in coding. They store information that your program can use and manipulate. For example, you can store a user's name or a number in a variable. Understanding how variables work makes coding much easier. Most languages use simple syntax to create and use variables, making them accessible to beginners. Functions are blocks of code that perform specific tasks. They help organize your code and make it reusable. For example, you can create a function to add two numbers or display a message. Functions make coding easier by breaking down complex tasks into simple steps. Most languages use straightforward syntax for functions, making them easy to learn and use. Loops allow you to repeat actions in your code. For example, you can use a loop to print a message multiple times or process a list of items. Loops are easy to understand and use, especially in beginner-friendly languages like Python and JavaScript. Learning how to use loops makes coding more efficient and powerful. Conditional statements let your code make decisions. For example, you can check if a user is logged in or if a number is positive. These statements use simple syntax like if, else, and elif. Understanding conditionals helps you create interactive and dynamic programs. Most languages make conditionals easy to use and understand. Coding often involves working with data such as numbers, text, or lists. Most languages provide simple ways to store and manipulate data. You can use lists, dictionaries, or arrays to organize information. Learning how to handle data makes coding more practical and useful. Start with basic data types and gradually explore more complex structures. Libraries are collections of code that help you accomplish tasks quickly. For example, Python has libraries for math, web development, and data analysis. Using libraries makes coding easier by providing ready-made solutions. You don't need to reinvent the wheel, just import a library and use its functions. Exploring libraries expands your coding abilities and saves time. Creating user interfaces is easier than you might think. Tools like HTML and CSS let you design web pages with simple code. You can build buttons, forms, and layouts without advanced skills. User interfaces make your programs interactive and engaging. Start with basic elements and gradually add more features as you learn. The best way to master coding is by doing. Build projects, solve challenges, and experiment with new ideas. Every project teaches you something new and makes coding easier. Don't be afraid to try different approaches or make mistakes. Learning by doing is the fastest and most effective way to become a confident coder. Mistakes are a natural part of learning coding. Every error is an opportunity to improve and understand your code better. Don't be discouraged by bugs or failures, embrace them as valuable lessons. The more you learn from mistakes, the easier coding becomes. Remember, even experienced coders make errors. Motivation is key to learning coding. Set small goals, celebrate achievements, and keep track of your progress. Coding can be challenging at times, but staying motivated helps you overcome obstacles. Find projects that excite you and connect with others who share your interests. Motivation makes coding easier and more enjoyable. Once you're comfortable with the basics, you can explore advanced topics like algorithms, data structures, and web development. These topics build on what you've learned and open up new possibilities. Don't rush, take your time and enjoy the process. Advanced topics might seem complex at first, but with practice they become easier to understand. Inspiration can come from anywhere. Look for coding projects online, watch tutorials, or read success stories. Seeing what others have built can motivate you to try new things. Inspiration helps you stay curious and excited about coding. Don't be afraid to dream big and set ambitious goals. Simplicity is the key to easy coding. Start with small, manageable projects and build up gradually. Don't overcomplicate your code, focus on clear, readable solutions. Keeping it simple makes coding less stressful and more enjoyable. Remember, even the most complex programs start with simple steps. Every step forward in coding is worth celebrating. Whether you solve a tricky bug or finish a project, take time to acknowledge your progress. Celebrating achievements keeps you motivated and reminds you that coding is a journey. Enjoy the process and be proud of what you accomplish. As you continue learning coding, new opportunities will open up. You can build apps, automate tasks, or even start a career in tech. The skills you gain make coding easier and more rewarding. Keep exploring, stay curious, and look forward to the exciting possibilities ahead. Conclusion: coding is much easier than most people think. With the right mindset, resources, and practice, anyone can learn to code. Start small, embrace mistakes, and celebrate your progress. Coding is a valuable skill that opens doors to creativity, problem-solving, and new opportunities. Remember, coding is easy when you take it step by step. Thank you for joining this journey and happy coding.